Nilight LED Light Bar. Nilight LED light bars have garnered a reputation as reliable, high-performance automotive lighting solutions. These versatile light bars have found favor among off-road enthusiasts, truck owners, and various other automotive aficionados. In this review, we'll explore why Nilight LED light bars have earned their reputation. First and foremost, Nilight's LED light bars are lauded for their exceptional illumination. Powered by advanced LED technology, these light bars provide intense and efficient lighting. The LED chips used are known for their durability, energy efficiency, and resistance to shock and vibration, making them well-suited for rugged off-road adventures. Nilight offers a wide range of options in terms of size and style. Their light bars are available in various lengths, ranging from compact 4-inch bars to robust 52-inch models. This extensive selection allows you to choose the size that best suits your vehicle and lighting needs. Furthermore, first and foremost, Nilight's LED light bars are lauded for their exceptional illumination.